Can you program a simple game with ChatGPT without any coding experience at all? Well, I'm a complete noob when it comes to programming with as little experience as you can have. So let's jump into it and find out. Alright, so I already prepared the initial prompt. Let's paste it in. So what I'm basically saying here is that I'm a complete beginner. I have no idea about coding, and the ChatGPT has to do everything and should help me come up with a game. And the first thing I asked ChatGPT is what would be a simple game that we could program so we can actually play it for beginners. And ChatGPT came up with, guess, the number, hangman, and rock, paper, scissors. ChatGPT already gave us the code. Apparently, I guess, again, I have absolutely no idea about coding, so good. And here down, ChatGPT says, if you're completely new, you might be wondering what to do with this code. Oh, yes, I am wondering that. Okay. Installing Python. All right, I will do this maybe later, but for now, let's ask ChatGPT if there's any way I can start a game, program a game without actually needing to install anything. Just for simplicity's sake. And also to see if the code is actually working before I install something and go through all this process. Let's see how that goes. Yes, the online platforms. Okay, very good. I did not know that because I am not a coder. And I get a step-by-step run through. Perfect. Then, yeah, let's do that and see if it actually works. So we're going to replit, whatever, replit.com. And click on the plus, new rep button, select Python as language. Okay. Start creating, I guess. All right, then I'm going to log in with my Google account. Right, let's change that name. New plan, personal use. No. And start building. I think ChatGPT said Python, right? Yes. So we want something with Python. So I guess this would be, guess, the number. Okay. Okay, I'm not going to read through all of that. All right, now I'm here. Let's see what ChatGPT said. Click on the plus new REPL button. Is there a plus new REPL button somewhere? I don't think so. So let's have a quick think. I guess this would be where I put in my code, right? I guess so. So I'll just copy and paste my code in here and see what happens. So we go up here. Only click just here. And then here we go. And run. Welcome to guess a number. Enter your guess between 1 and 100. Okay, it seems to work. Let's say 7. Too low. Try again. Okay. Okay, it worked. Nice. Too low. Try again. 70. Too high. Try again. This is such a fun game. I could do this all day. No, it is not. But I want to guess this one number and then we'll move on. Too low. So 65. The number was 69, really? Okay, I should have come up with that. Like the numbers I should go through is like 69, 13, 42. These are like the 3 numbers I should have guessed first. But okay, I see what you did there, game. All right, so this apparently works. You can program a simple, very, very simple basic game, just telling ChatGPT, hey, give me code. Let's make it a bit more complex. Alright, the first thought I had when I was thinking let's program a game was Pong. So let's ChatGPT program Pong. This code creates a basic version of Pong using the turtle module. I have no idea what that means, but I probably don't have to. Okay, let's go ahead and copy and paste that. And then we click run. Oh, can I move? Can I move? How can I move? I can move. V and S, W and S. All right. Okay, so the computer doesn't play. Can you play it? Oh no, I can move. Oh, okay. So I could play this against another player on the same computer. That's actually quite cool. But yes, it works. Okay, this is, oh no, there it is. I mean, it would be better if the ball would be bouncing off the edges. Or maybe I just don't see the whole window here, it appears. But anyway, well, you can program a very simple basic game using ChatGPT in a matter of seconds. Nice. I am surprised by how easy that actually was. Of course, the game was very simple, but I thought I would sit here for hours trying to fix code. Well, maybe we will get there, because I just decided to make a series out of this and will program more and more complex things, as a complete beginner without any experience. In the next video I will make a more complex game and try to play it on my computer. You can watch it right over here.